Welcome back to Black Wall Street EDU. My name is Mia, and in today's video, we're breaking down why plotting support and resistance levels before making a trade is crucial. Let's dive right into it.
Welcome back to Black Wall Street EDU. Just wanted to show you guys how important it is to draw your support and resistance levels. And as you can see here, the market, opened up to the downside, and it hit a particular key area, turned around, and went up to the upside, broke through support, pre-market support, headed up, and this is pre-market resistance, stopped, dead in its track, okay? Dead in the tracks, just stopped and turned down. And these are 5-minute candlesticks, 5-minute time frame. So as you can see here, if you're playing breakouts and breakthroughs, rejections, breakout and rejections, you could have set your put level here and set a really nice stop, tight stop, and continue to the downside. Okay, breakouts and rejections. That's exactly what happened. Now on this side, the only reason we played to the downside is because on this particular candlestick, it broke through support. So we were just waiting for a retest, and that's exactly what it did. Broke through support, retest, got in, made our profits. Could have did the same thing here. If this candlestick would have broke through resistance, retest, and made money to the upside. Okay, so because it didn't break through to the upside, you can anticipate a rejection. All right, so once again on the left hand side here, broke through to the downside, got a retest all the way down to the bottom. Once again, not an A+ trade, but this is an A+ trade here that I showed in the previous video. That's considered A+ trade, 4 confirmations. But this is still a way that you can make a profit without waiting for an A+ trade, just knowing the nature of these technical analysis. All right, drawing your support, resistance, waiting for a breakthrough, a breakout, or a rejection. If it's going to reject, anticipate a pullback, or if it's going to push through, wait for the retest and potentially make a profit. All right, Black Wall Street EDU. Till next time, stay tuned.